Stop! Safety always comes first.
Well, besides all this stuff, this comes first.
Oh, baby! Holy shit, that's hot. That hurt. Death from above. Ow!
70%? 450, we're going pretty.
After that stuff, safety always comes first.
To get visited by OSHA?
Your local OSHA guy.
I saw your workshop across the street there. That doesn't look safe. Considering they've never seen the rest of the shop. It's you go right over
All
there.
exposed wires.
Oh no.
Today we're gonna build a big wall to hide behind.
For safety.
Yeah, because this thing's moving now. If something breaks off and launches, we do not want to be anywhere near it.
Yeah, I'll get it out of the shop so I don't break a windshield.
True. All right, so the idea is one wall that we hide behind, wood on the bottom, plexiglass on the top so we can see through. Have a little holder to hold our control box. 2 side walls at an angle that we have netting on, and that'll just catch if a disc flies sideways, but if like shrapnel comes out, it can still go through the netting. We're not going to be behind that. We're going to be behind the wood plexiglass wall.
We plan on breaking something.
Yeah, as long as it's not us.
I'm already broken.
All right, let's get after it.
Okay.
The cheapest tape measure here.
Time to assemble the main wall. We're going to put 4 feet of wood on bottom, 2 feet of plexiglass on top. Measurements were a little off, so we'll just cut a little bit off the top. You know what they say, measure once, cut twice. With the main wall complete, let's start assembling the side walls. No, let's go with the sink. Cutting some braces for the sidewall. One sidewall complete. We just copied what we did with the first sidewall. Now we got both sidewalls complete. Using some hinges, connect the sidewalls to the main.
Oh yeah.
Throwing some netting on the sidewalls, catch any grip locks or early releases. All the walls are complete. We made it collapsible for easy storage. Let's open her up and test her out.
So graceful. Second. Oh yeah, that thing goes fast.
High velocity stress test.
Good.
Removable control box shelf, ready to rack. We went ahead and decided to install an oh button.
Oh snap.
The E-stop successfully kills power to the motor controllers. With our barriers built and our E-stop installed, we now have the green light to start pushing the limits of the launcher. We appreciate you watching. We'll catch you next time in the Dusty Garage.